Hello internet video viewing community. Today I'm going to be reviewing the AzenX P-Secure 2.5 hard drive disk password external enclosure. Right off the bat, the first thing you notice when you take it out of the package is that it has a glossy finish. It has the P-Secure 2.5 hard drive disk password external enclosure on the front, as well as a AzenX logo on the top, and it has two holes which are LEDs, the activity and power on LED. As we turn the product around, you notice that it has the USB connection. It has a lock for actual external enclosure, and it has a DC connector. All right. The item number is AZ-2503, and this external enclosure uses a password to protect all of its data. The default password is 12345. Please refer to the product manual for more information on the actual password. The host interface is it connects to the computer, a Windows-based computer, through USB 2.0, and the actual hard drive connects to a SATA connector. It goes up to 480 megabytes per second, and the LED indicators right here is a power and access activity. This hard drive enclosure allows you to protect all of your data and settings, and pretty much encrypts the partition on the hard drive to prevent it from getting, in case you lose your actual external enclosure and hard drive, your data is always secure. The thing that I noticed is that it is a fingerprint magnet. As you can see, it has a few of my fingerprints on there, but that is not an issue to some people. The actual glossy finish gives it a nice look. It's all black, a bit of chroming on the sides of the actual external enclosure. Installation is quite simple, and you do not need any tools to perform the installation of a hard drive. I will be installing this 2.5 hard drive into this external enclosure. Quite simple. There is a small thing right here to unlock. Alright, you just pretty much lift and pull it down, and there we go. The actual product comes with a bit of anti-vibration stickers or pads, whatever you want to call them, to prevent the hard drive from making any noise, which is very good because it dampens the noise of the hard drive so that you do not have a very loud external hard drive. So installation is quite simple. You see your serial ATA data and power connectors right there, and you have the serial ATA data and power connectors right there, which you just gotta line them up, put the hard drive right there, push it in on every side, and push forward. Make sure it's all the way in. Alright, once that's done, you could pretty much just go ahead and close the hard drive, as so. Alright, so as far as connecting this external hard drive goes, you get your USB that is provided with the actual product itself connected on your left side, okay, like that. And these two would be a USB data and power, and you need to connect both of them to a USB 2.0 on your actual computer. I will be connecting this to my notebook computer. Alright. You could see the LEDs right there. The red one would be the power and the blue one would be the activity. Also note that the software CD, alright, is being put in. Alright, so I just connected my AzenX P-Secure 2.5 hard drive disk password external enclosure into my computer, and we get the usual autoplay. I'm gonna go ahead and click open folder to view files. And as you can see, the P-Secure 105 application has already been copied to the external enclosure. Now we're gonna go, the external hard drive. Now we're going to go ahead and double click this right here. And the first thing I notice as soon as the software comes up is a nice little picture on the bottom right corner, as well as the capacity information and the firmware version. I am using firmware version 1.00.25. You could also do firmware upgrades and repartition. So to use the drive, we need to repartition. I'm only going to repartition, you know, about 10,000 megabytes. All right. Going to repartition this. And you get a message that says repartition will cause data loss. Do you want to continue? Of course I do. So I click yes, and now we're going to go ahead and enter our password. Now by default, the password is set to 12345. So we're going to go ahead and enter 12345, and now we're getting the P-Secure USB 2.0. Okay, so it's reading it, and there it is. If we go to my computer, we notice the two partitions. This one will be the encrypted partition, which is 10.5 or 10.7 gigs in total. That will be the partition that will not be able to be accessed without a password. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. So when you open up the hard drive, it asks you to input your password. Now by default it's set to 12345, and hit settings or enter, and we get a bunch of options. We get to go back, we get to delete the partition, change the password, and firmware upgrade, and also we still get the repartition. We also get the capacity information on the side. One of the things that I like about this product is the amount of portability you get with this product. You do not have to plug it into a wall socket. You just have to connect it to two USB ports on your computer. That way you're not stuck in one place the whole time. This maximizes portability for the user of this product so that you can pretty much go anywhere with this product. If you would like to learn more about Dynatron and their latest and most up-to-date technology, please visit their website at www.dynatron-corp.com.